And the way to be free is to refine your Creator. But you have to, your Creator, see, He's what's missing. People say, well, something's missing. I feel empty. I feel unloved. I feel like I need this. I need that. I need to make more money. I need another goal. I need to have a better job. I need to have some other relationship. I need this and that. They always feel like they need something. Something is missing. Then when you have everything, you still feel empty. See, now that's why you see Hollywood people sometimes, for example, you see them on drugs because they have everything. I mean, they got cars and money and accolades, popularity. They got fans. They got houses and swimming pools and everything. Now, since they have everything, they have to see that they're still empty. See, the person who doesn't have everything, but see, they're actually better off. They're better off in that they can actually see. It's just like the person who hits rock bottom. See, the one didn't Christ said it's very hard for a rich person to enter the kingdom of heaven. But what he meant was when a person is totally caught up in all of their stuff, then, and you're getting all of these people praising you and telling you how great you are and so on and so forth. When you get all of that, well, it's hard to give it up. But it does cause conflict too, doesn't it? And so some of the Hollywood people, especially the younger ones, see, younger people still have perception. They're not totally jaded. They have perception. And when they're young, 20, 25, 30, and they have all this stuff, they see that it's meaningless. But who are you going to tell? Nobody will believe you. See? Nobody believes them. But so like I said, being able to see that there's no there. Remember Gertrude Stein once said, well, there's no there. So there's no there. But the person who continues striving, I got to get a better job, more money, more degrees, more classes, more power, more something. They're too busy striving. See, and the person who has obtained things but is totally content with them, then see, it takes pain for us to wake up. So likewise, the person who hits rock bottom, the drug addict who's laying in the gutter, and he looks at himself and says, you know what, I'm a total mess, I'm a drug addict, and here I am laying in the gutter. He sees it. And he's actually closer to the truth than all the people who think they're doing rather well and pretty nice and so on and so forth. They're so full of themselves. They're so puffed up with their own goodness and looking down at other people that they don't see the truth about themselves. So anyway, I forgot what the topic of this little lecture was supposed to be. But it's something like, put first the kingdom of God, and all other things will be added unto you. So how are you going to find God? Well, there has to be some kind of searching. See, when God answers, then there's finding. There's discovering. See? But in order to find and discover, you need to be searching if you're not searching. If you're totally content with eating and drinking and working and having other people tell you how great you are. When you're content with that, then, and you think that you're a wonderful person, well, then there's no searching. You think you already found it, or you know you haven't found it, but you don't care. Then you won't find. Christ said, seek, and you will find. So you have to seek, and then you will find.